Hey guys, all right. So, how do you unlock your psychic abilities? We all have these inborn abilities within us. That's right. Did you know that it is a natural part of your gift to have the ability to what we call remote view, to influence, to see things, to have these special, what you call powers where you can sense things? Maybe you have a dream and something happens in a dream. You can actually develop this to interact with reality and create whatever you want. So it's a natural part of our abilities. So today I'm going to teach you, some tips on how you can accentuate that or how you can manifest that, and you can become a powerful creator of your reality. So how do you do it? Here's how we do it. First, we have to know what psychic abilities are, what types of gifts are, what do they mean, what do they represent to us, right? Well, they have basically a psychic gift is the ability to perceive beyond physical senses. It's the ability to be able to tap into what's called the etheric or the quantum field, that field that resonates with a very high vibration, right? The secret lies in what's known as bioenergy and immanent energy. So immanent energy is the natural flow of the universe. The secret to unlocking your psychic ability lies in this tree on the floor. Let me explain to what is going on here. Immanent energy is the energy that the earth naturally produces. It's connected to the field. It's the purest form of energy. It's an ionic energy. It balances your entire being. The quantum particles or the electrons in our body are charged. When we use immanent energy, it recharges. What it basically does, it cancels out any toxins and it creates a free flow channel. Let me give you an example. When you go to the beach, why do you feel so energized when you come from the beach? You walk on the sand. Because the earth naturally has negative charges of ions. Your body's more charged. So if you can get to a point where you can balance that energetic component, you will enhance your intuition. Hence, your gifts and abilities will be revealed to you. Maybe you're a remote viewer, an influencer, a clairvoyant, telekinesis, telepathy. All these things are possible and they're true. So how do I know this? Well, that's what I do in my life. I use my gifts and abilities to create my life by design and to help others, to teach and to motivate. That's how I do all the things I do, because I tap into that fifth or what you call sixth force. Now, here's the easiest way you can develop your psychic abilities, right? So let me show you how you can do this. So this tree, what we're going to do with this tree here, we're going to ground ourselves. Now remember this, guys, that the ability to create what we want is already within this realm, within the earth, the forces and everything of that sort. So if you want to develop your psychic abilities, here's what you do. This tree has immanent energy. So if you have trees in your backyard, basically here's what you do. Take your hand, you touch the tree. Okay, when you touch the tree, you can close your eyes just for this purpose now. Close your eyes, and now you're transferring the energy, the immanent energy from this tree into your body. The electrons in your body now pick up the ionic charge. The ionic charge in your body now releases toxins, neurochemical toxins that clog your system up. The release of those toxins will enable you now to have a higher elevation of your vibration. If your vibration is high, your manifesting abilities increase, and also what's more importantly, your psychic abilities, they start to develop. Now here's another powerful one. The ground. If you walk outside daily barefoot in the ground is negatively charged with ions. Your feet has a positive charge. What happens is the ionic points within the ground creates that immanent energy. Immanent energy is the energy that powers your ability to see beyond. Let me repeat that again. Immanent energy. Remember, immanent energy is found naturally. It's in the air we breathe. It's the tree, it's the ground, it's nature. This is called immanent energy. And immanent energy is the secret to unlocking that sixth force. That ability for you to be discerning, that ability for you to have a dream, to see something in a dream, to communicate to your higher self, and it gives you the answer within your own dream. Those are abilities. The ability to think of a person and have them call you. The ability to influence someone's mind by thinking something positive, by having them have more favor for you. Those are psychic abilities. Look, one thing you have to get clear is this, right? The things that they say are supernatural, they aren't. They are natural. Okay? That's a myth, part of the program. You are more powerful than you have ever imagined. You literally have the ability to shape your reality. Everything around me right now, you can feel it. It's imminent energy. It's the power that we have to create. It's the power that we manifest. And you can do that as well. So if you practice the tree, you just close your eyes, feel it, let it vibrate, let the energy get into the ground. Walk bare feet out a couple times and close your eyes and just get into that space, or that what I call freeness. That's how you'll start to manifest or raise what's called your psychic abilities. Now remember, these abilities are our natural given talent. They've been suppressed through our environment, actually through our diet. A lot of factors play into this. Now, the key component is, let me show you how it works from a scientific aspect or scientific level. So I really want you to get this. Now, there's different energies that power our universe, right? We have electromagnetic energy, we have magnetism, electricity, and we also have etheric energy. You know, magnetism comes in two forms. You have the electromagnetic sphere, but you also have a magnetic attraction between objects that aren't magnetic by a physics standpoint. That's called immanent energy. There's a various amounts of energy that resides in our universe. Your body is a conduit. It actually is a charge, it's a receiver. So once you can tap in, you can accelerate and develop your gifts. That's right, you can have the ability to see your reality and change it the way you desire. A lot of individuals aren't even aware of this. So what you're learning right now is groundbreaking. It's the next revolution, next evolution for us. Because these abilities, you have them. Many of you do. You shut them out because probably you were scared, what? Due to religion, programming. Think about this, guys. Why would a God give you these abilities that are inborn in you if they were bad? You think about that? Why did this creator give these to you, but yet the religions, or they say, oh, no, it's the devil, it's bad. You gotta think, critical think now. No, it's not. It's part of your ability to manipulate your reality. And once you understand this, and once you start to see this, your life's gonna change. Because now you're tapping into a different sort of energy dynamics here. The power to see things before they actually happen. Well, it's not actually before they happen. What you're doing, you're perceiving it from a prior timeline because it's already here. That's the ability you have right now. So when you have these gifts, they operate through quantum physics. Quantum physics is a science, and it shows us about this. You know, there's an invisible force, and physicists know this. There's a force that powers or permeates beyond the regular quantum realm of that field. It's actually our consciousness. The consciousness interacts with this immanent field, and that's how you're able to tune in. So you can be able to see things, to pick things up. Imagine the power this is, guys. Imagine the power you have. You can foresee a job, a business. You can make the right call, the right decision. You can have help to create because you're tapping into the unseen. Remember, everything comes into existence comes from the invisible. Invisible to visible. So now you learn. So let me do a quick review to show you guys. If you want to develop your psychic abilities, use immanent energy, nature around you. Walk bare feet. You go to the beach, stand on the sand bare feet. You got a backyard, touch the tree. Just touch the tree, close your eyes, meditate. You're going to feel the transfer of energy. It's going to release those toxins and those negative ionic particles, and now you become charged, but you become balanced. That's the key. When you are balanced, you have an innate ability to really change and manifest. When you are balanced, you have a communication with the universe, with your higher self. You're now connected to receive information. That's what abilities are. Now, many of us have different abilities. You may be a clairvoyant. You may be a healer. You may be an empath. You may be a remote viewer, an influencer. It just depends on what your higher self has for you. Whatever your gifts are, they will be revealed once you start to practice this every day. So there you have it. Just want to touch bases and show you that you actually have the power beyond what you can ever imagine. You can actually tap in and understand and create those psychic abilities. Remember, it's not supernatural, it's natural. They want you to believe it's supernatural because that's a word they put out to make you feel like it's downplay or it's bad. But it's actually natural gifts and abilities. The world is waking up, and now you have a powerful tool that you can emanate right now.